Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Speakly for practical language skills step by step clearly. Open the Speakly app on your device. Log in using your account credentials. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up option and follow the prompts to create one. Once logged in, select your target language from the main menu. You will be directed to the language dashboard. Here, review the available courses and choose one that suits your current skill level. Tap on the course to view the curriculum. Begin with the introductory lesson to familiarize yourself with the content. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete exercises and activities. Make sure to engage with the speaking and listening modules. These sections are crucial for developing practical language skills. After finishing the introductory lesson, move to the vocabulary section. Use the flashcards to enhance your word retention. Practice regularly by revisiting the vocabulary. Next, explore the grammar section for foundational rules. Complete the provided exercises to reinforce your understanding. As you progress, take advantage of the reading comprehension tasks. These will improve your ability to understand written content in your target language. Incorporate the writing exercises to practice sentence structure. Aim to write short paragraphs to build fluency. Engage with other learners to practice conversational skills. You can join discussions or even find language exchange partners. Set daily goals within the app to maintain your motivation. Tracking your progress will help you stay focused. Review the feedback provided after each exercise. This will guide you on areas needing improvement. Finally, schedule regular practice sessions. Consistency is key to achieving practical language skills. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.